Hey guys, so today we're going to be making a really cool soft body animation. I'll show you it in a minute. So this is the animation we're going to be making. We're just going to be playing with all the soft body stuff. And actually you can use any mesh you want. So we'll just start with the tutorial. So I'm just going to show you the first step. So the first step is to add a cube. You can use the default cube, but I don't have it in my setup, so I'm just gonna go Shift A mesh cube, scale it up, rotate it, do whatever, play with the transform settings. I'm just gonna rotate it and then move it a bit up. So now we're just gonna add a plane as 5. That's my thing. So if you want, you can use the camera you already have in your setup, but I'm just gonna use a different. I'm just gonna, since I don't have it, I'm just gonna create a new camera. Shift A camera and Control Alt 0, and do whatever you want with the camera. I don't really care about that. And so now we'll just add the rigid body settings. So first, our plane will be the collision object, and this cube will be the soft body object. So to actually make the animation work, as you can see, it's just like standing in the air like that, and it doesn't look good. So what we're going to do next is that we have to go into edit mode. Subdivide it around 10 times, 100 times, do whatever. Just basically subdivide it. And the second step to creating a soft body animation like that is to switch off the goal option. So you don't have so now you pretty much have a really good soft body animation already, but it doesn't. But now you can make it more dynamic by increasing the pull and push. For that one, I use 0.67 for both. You have to increase it to something that your computer can handle, but also something that is higher than 0.5. And then bending, you can do like something like 2, but I'm going to use 1.4 because that's what my computer can handle. 1.6, around that. So now if you just play the animation, it's loading, and yeah, you get a pretty good soft body already. So that's it. That's pretty much it. You can add whatever colors you want. You can do whatever you want. That's it. And for this specific animation, I used Eevee, and I basically just use a light setup, and yeah, that's it. It's a really short animation. It's really easy, and there's also some other really cool tutorials about soft bodies which you can do that are better than this one, to be honest. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.